guys, welcome. Turuan ko kayo guys ang cut ang triangle. Please watch and learn. I hope to help to us. Please watch and learn. Tapos ko na yung cut. Watch this. Tatay, triangle. Galing ko. Kaya yung nagawa mo. And now, the next is rectangle. Panoorin niyo po ito. This is easy way to get rectangle. Bugs in my stereo. Ang rectangle.
Ang galing.
Ito ang ano?
Gupitin mo ng maayos.
Dito?
Yung square baga.
And this one is square. This is how to cut square. Watch and learn again. Ganito yan. Yes. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all.